Our efficiency, our quality is important to us, so we don't want to waste the efficiency by having to do rework because of our equipment.
Post-processing is a huge part of welding. Well, it shouldn't have to be, but it is. Whether you're talking about scraping the spatter with the scraper, if you got to get in there with a cold chisel, we have roughly about 18 Delta Weld 350s. We like using pulse welding because pulse welding, it produces a lot less spatter. In my cost justifications, I go and include about 75% reduction in spatter. But in all honesty, it's more around 90 to 93%. If we have, 45 minutes per unit of just scraping, trying to clean things up, and you can take away 75% of that, that's huge.
I'm welding stainless right now, and it does save me so much time not having to clean off the stainless. Like in a lot of our products, there's no tolerance on there being splatter on, because it's a face. It's standing right here in front of you. You can't be sending that to the customer like that.